All right, let's finish this simplifying expression stuff. Okay, so there is going to be a picture of how you're going to tape the notes from the previous video in your notebook, but we're actually going to be writing these next notes on your notebook page. So of course, as always, in your notebook, we are going to have a title at the top, and we're going to get our I can statement in there. So the title at the top would be simplifying. This would be at the top of page 24, by the way. This would be simplifying expressions. And then our I can statement usually comes somewhere in around here. And this simply this. Okay. So that's that. Now let's grab us a little marker here. And let's do a little drawing, a little bit of writing here. I am going to, like that. Okay. So you're going to have some questions on the assignment tomorrow that would be, they would say, like, use the distributive properties to simplify. Okay, so the problems will look something like this. Okay, so very, very simple. The distributive property just says that everything inside these parentheses is going to be multiplied times 7. So I'll multiply 7 times 3, and I'll get 21a. And I'll multiply 7 times what is basically a negative 13 and get negative 91. And that's as simplified as we can get, because 21a and negative 91 do not have any other like terms that we could put together. So there's one of the types of problems that you'll be doing. Now, if you need at any time to come back and take a look at this, just simply pause the video. I'm actually going to clear off my page, and I'm on my notes. I would just skip a line to this next part that I'm going to write. But there goes my page being cleared off. Let me grab a different color, and I would have, of course, skipped a line. So other types of problems that you're going to get, and I guess it would probably be, you could probably read it better if I typed this. I can type faster than I can write on this thing anyway, is write each fraction as a sum or difference. So there's our directions. And let's do some writing. So it would show you a fraction like this, 2x plus 7 over 5. Now what we're basically doing is, when you divide, you're just going to distribute this. You're going to divide each one of those little terms up there by 5. So I would have 2 over 5. So 2 divided by 5 over x plus 7 divided by 5, or 7 over 5. So this is it. I wrote that fraction as a sum or difference. So I'm basically adding those two fractions there. And I had to keep the x along with the 2. So there it is. That simple. Okay. Again, I'm skipping a line. And I'm going to clear my page. If you need to see this a little bit longer, pause the video. There we go. And let's grab another color. And let me write the instructions. I'm actually going to type them out because I type faster. Last type of problem that you'll be doing. Simplify by combining like terms. Okay. So let's get to work on that. So if I had a negative 4y squared plus 9y squared, okay, these two are like terms because they both have the same variable raised to the same power. So there we go. So we can just combine these. So I've got a positive 9 and a negative 4. So I'm actually going to end up subtracting 9 minus 4, and I will get a positive 5y squared. Okay. So those are the types of problems that you're going to be doing in class tomorrow. Come with your pages filled out and taped in your notebook, like what I had handed you out. And make sure you write these notes on the page in your interactive notebook on page 24. See you tomorrow.